I wanted it, so I made it. It all started with these photos that I found on Pinterest by this creator named It's Lowell Baby. I'm gonna tag her down below. Basically, I wanted to make that exact red, yellow, green hat because those are the colors from my country too, but I didn't have those exact colors, so I decided to go with this gray yarn that I got over the summer. I felt like it went perfectly with the fall aesthetic I've been trying to develop with all grays, blacks, and neutrals. It took me 2 days to make. At first, it was 5 granny squares with 7 rounds. The original hat has 5 rounds from the pictures that I saw. I could be wrong, but I kind of have a big head, so I went with 7. And then after I made them, I connected it and it was way too big, so I ended up settling for 6 rounds. I slip stitched it together. Also, the reason I haven't been posting is because, like I said, I've been having midterms. I have my last one coming up in a few days. Hopefully I'll get back to posting. Like, this is the final result.